Welcome you all of my channel Maths by Avinash. In this video, we shall continue theorem based on quadrilateral. So, shall we start our class? This is our theorem 8.8 from NCERT. This is theorem 8.8. Theorem is said, prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if its one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Theorem is said, we have a quadrilateral, then we have to prove that it is a parallelogram when opposite sides are parallel and equal. Clear? This is a figure. We have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. This is a figure. First of all, you have to write the given part. What is given? A quadrilateral ABCD in which AB equals to opposite sides are equal. This is already given in questions. AB equals to DC and AB parallel to DC. This is already given in question. To prove, what we have to prove? To prove ABCD is a parallelogram. We have to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear? Now construction. What we construct? Join AC. Now, in proof, first of all, you have to take triangle ABC, this one, ABC and ADC, right here. You take triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Clear? AB equals to DC. This is already given. AC equals to AC. This is common side in both triangle. And angle BAC, this one is represented by 1, this angle is represented by 2. So you have to write what? Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Why? We know that alternate interior angle. Therefore, what we said? Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC by SAS congruency. When triangle are congruent, then by CPCT what we said? Triangle are congruent, therefore angle BCA is equals to BCA equals to DAC by CPCT, DAC by CPCT. Well, but we know that these are alternate interior angle, but these are alternate interior angle. Therefore, what we said, AD parallel to BC. Now, AD parallel to DC, this is already given, and AD parallel to BC. Hence, what we said? Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. I hope this theorem is clear to you. Our next problem is, this is problem 2. So that diagonals of rhombus, are perpendicular to each other. This is the question. Now draw the rhombus. This is the rhombus. We know that the property of rhombus, we already discussed that parts. This is the rhombus, ABCD, whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. We have to prove these diagonals are perpendicular to each other. These diagonals are perpendicular to each other. This is we have to prove. Now solve. Write the given part. What is given? A rhombus ABCD in which diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Clear? Then to prove, AOB equals to AOD equals to BOC equals to DOC equals to 90 degree. This is we have to prove. Now see how we proceed. First of all, we have to take triangle. See, this one is very easy. We know that rhombus is just like a parallelogram. See how we prove. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, we know that in parallelogram each sides are equal to each other. So you write what? AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Are you clear? Now we have to take triangle AOC. We have to take triangle AOC and Take triangle COD. COD, AOC and COD. AOC and COD. You have to write what? In triangle AOC and triangle COD. OA equals to OC. We know that diagonals of parallelogram are equal, intersect each other, and it is equal to each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram. And OD equals to OD. This is common. And AD equal to CD. Therefore, what we write? Therefore, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle COD by SSS congruency. When triangle are congruent, then by CPCT what we said? When triangle are congruent, therefore angle AOD equals to angle COD by CPCT. Clear? But you write what? AOD plus COD. AOD plus COD. These becomes 120 degree. Why? Linear pair, as you see in the figure, and both angles are equal to each other. You have to write like that what? Twice of AOD is equals to 20 degree. Therefore, angle AOD equals to 90 degree. Hence, diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Hence, diagonals of a rhombus perpendicular to each other. Proof. I hope this theorem is clear to you. Now, please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.